If you want to change what you're attracting, you first have to change your daily habits and then do them forever. You can't expect to just start attracting something different first if you don't change your habits and then continue the new habits daily in order for what you attract to stay in your life long term. And once you do get what you attract, you have to continue whatever it was that you were doing in order to attract that. This will ensure that what you have attracted will stay with you, will stay in your life long term.